Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about Keeling Islands, also known as Cocos Islands, a remote and beautiful archipelago in the Indian Ocean that belongs to Australia. Keeling Islands are not only a natural paradise, but also a place with a fascinating history and culture. Let's find out more about these amazing islands. Keeling Islands are located about 900 kilometers west of Christmas Island and 2,900 kilometers northwest of Perth, Australia. They consist of two coral atolls, the North Keeling Island and the South Keeling Islands, which include 26 small islands. The total land area is only 14 square kilometers, but the marine area is much larger, covering 98,000 square kilometers. The islands have a tropical climate, with temperatures ranging from 23 to 32 degrees Celsius, and an average rainfall of 2,000 millimeters per year. The islands are home to diverse flora and fauna, both on land and in the sea. The vegetation is dominated by coconut palms, which were introduced by the first settlers and used for copper production. The islands also have some endemic plants, such as the Cocos buff-banded rail and the Cocos palm fern. The wildlife includes seabirds, such as frigatebirds, boobies, terns and noddies, as well as land crabs, such as the red crab and the robber crab. The marine life is rich and varied, with coral reefs, seagrass beds, mangroves and lagoons hosting hundreds of species of fish, mollusks, crustaceans, turtles, sharks and rays. But Keeling Islands are not only famous for their natural wonders. They also have a long and intriguing history, full of legends and mysteries. The islands were first sighted by European explorers in the 17th century, but they remained uninhabited until the early 19th century, when two British traders arrived and established rival settlements on the islands. They were Alexander Hare and John Clunies Ross, who brought Malay workers to cultivate coconut plantations. Hare left in 1831, leaving Clunies Ross as the sole ruler of the islands for the next 150 years. His family became known as the Kings of the Cocos. The islands were annexed by Britain in 1857, and later transferred to the administration of Singapore in 1903. During World War I and World War II, the islands were attacked by German and Japanese forces respectively, but they remained under British control. In 1955, the islands became an Australian territory, and in 1978, the Australian government bought most of the land from the Clunies Ross family. In 1984, the islanders voted to integrate with Australia as Australian citizens. Another interesting aspect of Keeling Islands is their culture. The islanders are predominantly descendants of the original Malay workers brought by Clunies Ross, who developed a unique culture and language based on Malay and Islamic traditions. They are known as Cocos Malays or Cocos Islanders, and they speak a dialect called Cocosero or Cocotero, coconut language, which is a mixture of Malay and English words with some local expressions. They practice Islam as their main religion, but they also have some elements of animism and superstition. They celebrate Islamic holidays such as Eid al-Fitr at the end of Ramadan and Eid al-Adha, the feast of sacrifice, as well as local festivals such as San Pedro Day, the patron saint of fishermen, on June 29th. The culture of Keeling Islands is also influenced by Australian customs and laws. The islanders have access to Australian education, healthcare, media, and cuisine. They also participate in Australian sports such as cricket, soccer, and Australian rules football. Some islanders have also migrated to mainland Australia for work or study opportunities. As you can see, Keeling Islands are a unique and fascinating place that deserves to be known and appreciated by more people. They are not only a natural treasure, but also a cultural treasure that reflects the diversity and richness of human history. If you ever have the chance to visit these islands, you will surely be amazed by their beauty and charm. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. See you next time.